What's going on? In this video, we're going to look at how you can add the YouTube Shorts that view, the 9:16 view, how you can add that to your product page for both the desktop and mobile version. If you have a YouTube Short on your product, here's how to show that video to get a look like that 9:16 look. So in your CSS page, in your CSS file for your product page, this is the code that you want to put. You want to add this class, the media type external video, which is the YouTube Short. And what you want to do is you want to put the ratio as this and the preview ratio as this. This is going to allow the short to appear like that on the desktop version. So you can take a second to add this code in. But also you have to keep in mind that because desktop and mobile is going to change, the view is going to change. So what you want to do is you want to find these classes here, or you can just add this code. Now you notice that I put commenting out this code allows the desktop version of the YouTube video on all screen sizes. So find where this code is here in your product CSS file, and comment that display none out. This will allow this preview, this 9:16, to show on both mobile and desktop. So that way you can show your YouTube Shorts in your product page. Hopefully this works for you. If you have any questions, if it doesn't work, please feel free to reach out. If you'd like extra help setting this up, or maybe you have another feature idea in mind that you'd like help getting set up, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll be glad to help you out. But once again, in this video, I wanted to quickly show you how you can get that 9:16 portrait look for your YouTube Shorts on the product page for your Shopify store.